Have you ever logged into Gusto only to find your payroll blocked? Or your financial reports completely out of sync? Gusto is a fantastic payroll platform, but like any powerful tool, a few common stumbling blocks can turn smooth sailing into a headache. Whether you're a new user or a longtime administrator, running into issues like blocked payroll or confusing integrations is frustrating. But don't worry, most of these problems have straightforward fixes. We're diving into the top 3 most common Gusto issues and, more importantly, how you can resolve them quickly to keep your team paid and your books clean. Problem 1. Payroll blocked due to banking issues. This is probably the most stressful issue. You go to run payroll and get a notification that it's blocked. The most frequent culprits are an outstanding balance from a previous failed debit, bank authorization problems, or an unverified account. The fix: check for outstanding balances. Head to the Pay section in your admin profile and look for a Payroll is blocked to do item. Gusto will clearly list failed transactions and allow you to pay the outstanding balance. Verify your bank. If you just set up your account, make sure your bank verification is complete. Gusto usually does a small micro-deposit test. Confirming those amounts is critical and often delays your first payroll if forgotten. Review your bank account status. If your account was recently closed or details changed, you'll need to update it in Gusto right away and set a new default. Problem 2. Failed tax filings or missing state registration. One of the biggest advantages of Gusto is automated tax filing, but this can only happen if all your state agency information is correct. Failing to register with the necessary state agencies before your first payroll run is a common setup mistake. The fix: state registration audit. Go through Gusto's setup wizard completely. Ensure you've provided all the required state tax ID and filing details for every state you have employees in. Gusto's Help Center has guides for every state. Address to-do items immediately. If Gusto flags a required form that needs a signature or an outdated registration number, handle it immediately. Delays here can lead to late filing penalties. Problem 3. Accounting software integration errors. If you use QuickBooks or Xero, you might find that your Gusto payroll data isn't syncing correctly, leading to incorrect financial reports. This usually comes down to 2 things: misconfigured account mapping or sync timing. The fix: check your mapping. Every category in Gusto, wages, taxes, benefits, needs to be mapped to the correct corresponding account in your accounting software. In Gusto's App Directory or Integration settings, manually review and update this mapping. For instance, make sure State Tax Payable in Gusto goes to the correct State Tax Liability account in your books. Trigger a manual sync. Sometimes a simple timing glitch is the culprit. After running payroll, go to your integration settings and manually run a sync to push the latest data over. Clear cache and use Chrome. For general technical issues or difficulties uploading documents, Gusto recommends using Google Chrome and clearing your browser cache. It sounds simple, but it solves a surprising number of minor sync and loading problems. Gusto is a powerful platform designed to simplify your life. By being proactive and double-checking these 3 core areas, your bank details, your state tax registration, and your accounting integration settings, you can eliminate the most common friction points and make your payroll process virtually seamless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.